Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Lars, aka MotoBroo, and look where we are. We're on a flippin' Supermoto ride out, you dig? And of course, I brought the beautiful DRZ 400 with almost 40,000 miles on her. And yeah, we're just gonna bring it back to some old times, some Supermoto adventures. So let's get flippin' started. Hey, I brought out the DRZ, baby. Let's go. Yes, sir. What's going on?
We'll have a good day today, right?
We got two strokes, some two-stroke Supermotos. Yes, sir. Gang, gang. This is gonna be dope. Feel that power. Hey, did you see? Did that pull up behind us or no?
He did.
He did?
I think he's still back there too.
For real?
Yeah, well, we're about to leave Orange City, so he's going to turn right. He's right there.
Alright, I guess we're good. I can't see. But someone said you had the lights on, so all I know is friggin' I'm street legal, so I'm chilling, bro. Your boy's street legal on the DRZ, so we got nothing to worry about, you feel me? He's still behind us. There's another one right there. Oh boy. But I thought Supermoto riders are gonna be chill, dude. We good or? We still don't know where he is or what's I still don't know what's happening, if we can pull up or not. Let's hit a race. Three? No. I can't even feel my wrist, dude. Oh my lord. Holding on to this heavy tank, bro. I'm like gripping for life because I'm not used to it. Hit a little daily donut real quick. We're off. Bro, so right now we're about to hit some off-road trails. Oh, this is gonna be fun, bro. Everyone here pretty much got Supermoto wheels, so you already know we're gonna be sliding back and forth. Bro, we're off-road now. We off-roading it, brother. Yo, look at him. Oh my gosh. You almost down, bro. Let's go. You good?
You good?
I'm good.
We're good.
You're good? Oh. Oh my god. Bro, did I stomach?
No, you're good.
I tried to brake so hard. That was gnarly, bro. that dirt right in my eye, bro. Bro, this is so fun though, bro. I miss like the Supermoto adventures.
Nobody's ever done that.
Bro,
Legendary shit right here.
did you host this? Yeah. Bro, let's go. Bro, there. Oh, what?
I lost my plate.
For real?
Fell off.
No. How was it on there? Was zip tie? I mean, zip ties?
It's just it's held on with like a GoPro mount.
A GoPro mount? Oh my, that's so sketchy.
It's worked until now. I think my tire probably hit it.
Probably, yeah, off-roading. Hopefully I still got my plate. Still got mine.
I'm gonna go back and find it, but I don't know.
Do you know when it fell off?
It was like super close to the beginning, so if anything, I'm just gonna wait till we go out and then
come back.
And then just go right to the beginning again.
Yeah.
But I don't know.
The big bike. Let's go on the touring bike, brother. You got it. Let's go. Oh, look at Schmo. Ooh, it's a little sandy here, brother. Oh my! Damn, I can't see nothing with my visor closed. People are just smoking me out. Not the frickin' party, frickin'.
What?
You good?
No, I got caught in the sand.
Hey! On your shirt!
My front wheel is like locked up.
You're good.
My front wheel like locked up.
Yeah, I seen it just went like that. Bro, it's so funny. They have to a race and I just fly by it. Bro, you know me. Your boy MotoBroo, the classic DRC, taking #1, baby. Even though we raced on the street and we were exactly the same. We're exactly the same. But on the dirt, dude, I don't know, mine just got that extra little torque to get you going. Yeah, look at homie. Getting flossy with it, brother. Yes, sir.